Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have x to the power of 9 plus x to the power of 6 is equal to 80, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here I can rewrite the terms as, I can write this x to the power of 9 as x to the power of 3 and its whole power 3, plus we can write x to the power of 6 as x to the power of 3 and its whole square is equal to 80. After that I can apply here the nice exponential law, or I can just simplify this term by taking some substitution, so that here I can take y is equal to x to the power of 3, so that after substituting this equation will becomes in cubic form, and it will become y cube plus y square is equal to 80. And after that I can just move this 80 in the left hand side, so that it will be written as y cube plus y square minus 80 is equal to 0. And after that I can write 80 as minus 64 minus 16 is equal to 0. And after that I will just rearrange the terms, and we will get here y cubed minus 64, and we will write this as y square minus 16 is equal to 0. And after that I can apply here the cubic and the square formula, and you know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, so it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. And similarly we will apply here the square formula, which is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b. So here I can apply these two formulas, so that first I can apply the formula in this term, and after that this term, so that firstly we have this 64, and first I can write this 64 as 4 cubed, and plus we will write here this 16 as 4 square is equal to 0. So now I can first apply the cubic formula, so this expression will becomes y plus 4 times of y square plus 4y plus 4 square, and plus here I can apply this formula, so that this will becomes y minus 4 times of y plus 4 is equal to 0. And after that we will take common y plus 4 from both of the terms, so that sorry, here we have y minus 4, because in this formula here we have a minus b, so this is the y minus 4. So now we can take common y minus 4 from both of the terms, and it will becomes y square plus 4y plus 16, and plus here we take common y minus 4, and here it is get y plus 4 is equal to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take this factor is equal to 0, and it is y minus 4 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take this factor is equal to 0. So in this factor we have y square, and 4y plus y is 5y, and 16 plus 4 is 20 is equal to 0. So now we can solve these two factors. So in this case we get y is equal to 4, and in this case first I will check is this quadratic equation has real roots or complex, because in this case we just solve the problem for real roots only. So that here we have the value of a is 1, the value of b is 5, and the value of c is 20. And I can apply here this delta formula in order to check its roots are real or complex. So you know that delta is equal to b square minus 4 times of ac, and now I can substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we will get here 5 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 20, and it will becomes 25 minus 80, and it is equals to minus 55. So it is less than 0, and we can say that if our delta is less than 0, so its roots are complex or imaginary, and if our delta is greater than 0, so that our roots are real. So because here delta is less than 0, so our roots are complex, so that I can reject it this case, because here I can proceed only real roots, so that we can proceed this case only. And in this case we have y is equal to 4, and in the start of the question we will take y is equal to x cubed. So I can substitute this value of y, and it will becomes x cubed is equal to 4, and after taking the cube root on both of the sides, so it will becomes x is equals to 4 to the power of 1 over 3, or we can write it as its fourth root in this form. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.